guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my first PR unboxing. Sigma Beauty reached out to me and they wanted me to become an affiliate with them, and I am so happy. All of my hard work finally is paying off. After 2 years of being on YouTube, someone big reached out to me, so I'm very proud of this. I do have a coupon code that they gave me. It is adriiii, and that is all that you need. You will save 10% from your order. So if you guys want to know what I got for my first PR packaging, just keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Also, please give this video a thumbs up and make sure to turn on the bell notification so you can be notified whenever I upload. Now let's get started with the unboxing. If you guys have heard of Sigma, which I know you have, they do have brushes and makeup now. So here is a little booklet. It says beauty delivery, and you do get a sheet of all the products that they have available. So here are all the brushes, and then the cleaning supplies are so good. I have the matte here, this one, the Express, and it's a little bit beat up, so I'm in need of a new one. All their brushes are great. I always use the E40, the blender brush. And then here's a little card from Sigma, and this is the little note. So it says, Adriana, welcome to the Sigma family. Enjoy your Sigma goodies. And XO, and then the representative. The first thing that I see here is a Sigma Spa Express brush cleaning mat. So I got a new one, you guys. I can finally throw my old one away. If you guys go back to my old videos, I had a eye mats haul, and I did go to Sigma and pick this up. So it's been 2 years or closer to 3 years, and it's very beat up. So I can't wait to start using this. This one, you basically just put it in your sink like that, and then you start cleaning out the brushes. It's very handy. Better than using your hands. I used to use my hands before, but this is way better. The next item that I see here is the Sigma Aura powder, and it's in the shade Cor de Rosa. I think I've heard of this blush before. Wow, it's a blush. So that is what they call their blushes. It's a face powder to them. Ooh, that's perfect. This is a great blush for like a cool tone look, or even any look. You can go for like a look that I'm wearing today. You can totally use this. The next item that I see is this Sigma 3D HD blender. I've always wanted to order this online, but it was always out of stock, so I am so glad that I got this. You can totally use this for your contour, highlight. You can bake with it. You can get in the creases here by the eyes. They recently had a 75% discount, so if you did miss out, don't worry, they will have more probably coming up. And I always post when they have brushes for free after a certain amount. After $50 you get a free brush, so definitely follow me on Instagram so you guys know when they have those deals. The next item that I see here is the Sigma Magic Brush Shampoo. It is 100% natural liquid brush cleanser. Yeah, I'm gonna totally use this with this. Let's see how it works. I'm actually gonna wash my brushes tonight, so maybe I'll do a video, a little Insta story on Instagram. The next items are brushes. So the first brush is this F56. If you guys can see it, you guys can totally use this for contouring and highlighting, apparently. The next item here is this Sigma F80 brush. This is the flat kabuki. This is so famous all over Instagram, all over YouTube. That is what the flat kabuki looks like. I'm a fan of brushes rather than sponges. I'm gonna get a lot of use out of this. The next brush is the E38 Diffused Crease. So this is a little bit smaller than a blending brush, like the big fluffy ones. This is a little bit smaller, so you can get into the second shade. I do have the E40, and then I have this one now, and then I ordered the E36 because I do want to branch out more with Sigma brushes. The last 4 items are makeup. The first one is this shimmer cream brilliant. Ooh, what is this? So this is a shimmer cream highlighter. Ooh, this is so pretty. If I can open it. Wow, that is amazeballs. So I can maybe use this on my eyes too, not just my highlight. The next item that I see is this Sigma liquid pen eyeliner. So this is a felt tip eyeliner. Ooh, that is so dark. That is a very nice black eyeliner, and I think I'm gonna get a good use out of this. I know I really struggle creating a wing with these type of pens, but as long as I clean it up with concealer, I'll be fine. But look at that darkness, girl. I'm guessing this dries up matte, so that is very great. The next item is this curling mascara, and it is in black. Ooh, let's see. Let's open this baby up. You guys know I use mascara all the time. I don't really use false lashes, just for my tutorials. But this is what the mascara looks like. I am in need of a new mascara, as you can see. My mascara looks all dry, so I do need a new one. I'm gonna give this a go. I will use all these products in one video maybe. I'll do a one brand makeup tutorial using all Sigma. And last but not least is this eyeshadow base primer. And this is in the shade Sorbet. This is more of a pink eye primer. I think they do have another one which is a little bit lighter, more of a skin tone color. And Beauty Bird here on YouTube uses that one a lot. It's her favorite. So I am gonna probably order the other color. I hope you guys enjoyed this little haul or PR unboxing, my first one ever. It is very exciting, you know, knowing that these brands are reaching out to you after all the hard work on YouTube. I know it's very hard nowadays. Everyone is on YouTube. I do put out a video every Thursday, so make sure to subscribe. I wish I can upload more, like twice a week or 3 times a week, but I can't. I do work full-time. I am very blessed to have Sigma in my life. I will link the direct link down below in the description box, and my code, which is adriiii. Make sure to use it on every order. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next one. Thank you.